You ready for this, Gangster Griggs? Yeah. Oh, man. Here we go. Honors 201, the pin and the sword. Gangster Griggs, yeah. All right, here it comes. No one knows the whole truth till it surfaces with the past. This mortal life goes by so fast, who knew that I would end up being last? Never give up. Don't stop it, let the hard times roll. Never give up. Even if they have to take their toll. Never give up. Hold your pride or you've lost your soul. Never give up. This will be the final hole. No, never give up. Here we go. Never give up. To limit kisses growing up as a man to take my place. But sadly right now I am off trying to kill the Trojan race. With Poseidon to my left and Athena to my right. I hurriedly journey back home to see the awesome morning light. Once I return home to my confusing suitors must I fight to see my beloved wife who had claimed to move the bed. As my anger soared when I had heard the blasphemy she said. Once I understood learning recognition seems brings me such joy, which no one knows, not even the Trojans before their fall can destroy. Now proudly stand with my son Telemachus, who's passed all his trials, as we spread our pure joy and protection together for miles. We can find strength in each other to help lift our family pride. I'm so excited to know that he, my son, is on my side. Shout it out for the whole world to know our intense bond, of which being blessed to be at home has made me extremely fond. Yeah, never give up. Never give up. Shout it out, shout it out. Revenge drives many people to madness to do the unthinkable. Never again to eat at the same table. Those stuck in this chain will always wear sable. Never give up, we gotta let go of the past. Never give up, so we will be able to last. Never give up, we must work to get out of here fast. Never give up, if we don't, others will stand aghast. Never give up. Revenge on the gods, what more can I say? When the gods realized they ate Tantalus' child, he was banned to the underworld to be taunted by food. The gods brought Pelops back, Justice smiled. This family has no wits, as Pelops makes Atreus his food. Helen leaves with prayer, so Agamemnon declares war on Troy. Poseidon and Artemis won't let him leave till he sacrifices, oh how coy. Iphigenia he sacrifices along with his wife's trust, as he leaves with his men to chase many other women in lust. Plotting the whole time, Clytemnestra now has found herself a mate. Thyestes helps plot for Agamemnon's demise to decide fate. After his death, Orestes and Electra fulfill their work, getting revenge on Clytemnestra. Now they go off with a smirk. Athena now instructs the Furies to change their ways. The Furies obeyed her counsel and now it pays, because they underwent a change to go from ugly to beautiful. Yeah, never give up. Insanity is marched in the dark and through the name of unity. These guys seem to have impunity, as civil liberties dissipate. Never give up, don't fall for the lies these men tell. Never give up, it will only cause pain, so yell. Never give up, let them know you ring liberty's bell. Never give up, you will not buy what they sell. Never give up. Man, Hitler will be the guide to the new race. Our Führer he is, he brought us together, unity, and now is our face. As the rest of the world screams, because they know what he truly is, its national flag has been changed. Hitler is insane. The riots go to pot. Now the war is hot. Poland goodbye, because Europe lied. As his opposers are thrown in camp of death and doom that loom. This wicked world's fallen, but we must keep going. Us the Lord is calling. We can't let ourselves be a pawn, and Master Mayhem's bold plan. Hold strong, you know you can. We have a strong support, round us like a fort. Never give up, no, never give up. Born to be the chosen one, fulfill a prophecy that left on a cliff right above the sea. Raised by an old man to kill unknowingly, my father who was king and had abandoned me. Sealed with my mom in unholy matrimony, I want to help society, but then I realized I was the causee. This wicked world's fallen, but now we must keep on going. Us, the Lord is calling, no, never give up. This one's for you, Gangster Griggs. Who of the tree ate the figs? He never with dynamite digs, nor does he rig, nor water does he rigs. He is not like those pigs. Yeah, Gangster Griggs. Here, Crystal.
What happened to her face?
We don't know,
Oh, you don't know?
but she keeps scratching it open.
How ridiculous is this?
Thank you. It always thinks. Oh, it's great.
I don't know.
Take it off.
Yeah.
Wah! This should actually be at the end of the video. That'd be
I
hilarious.
think you
During
should
the
with-
credits.
I feel like, yeah, with the credits, that would be really funny. Thanks.
Here comes the best part.
It's got a little skin there, huh? Just so you know, I probably will not be editing out the sound for this.
Yeah!